Go come out for that side for Yaoundé or will remain. Tori day will remain for Yaoundé. For Yaoundé, what happen? 2 ministers then. For that matter, that's small picking where they call it say Mathis. Where's Papa for some artists where they call it say Lidol, Dagobert, Mwafo, they take knife, chuki for neck, cut your hand, kwarai, and then find the small brother them, small sister them for kwara them too. 2 ministers them, they don't go for that house yesterday. Minister Marie-Thérèse Abena Ondua for the promotion of woman and family. He go there. He no go na E1. He go with his colleague for scientific research where they call it say Madeleine 20. They enter that quarter, they go inside for that quarter, take that road them, go with their delegation for go pay a visit for this 6-year-old Pekin, and one for Dagobert Ikwaram for the 10th of May. Now about 13 days is today, we Mwafo Dagobert on Kwarara Pekin. And as I talk for una so, since that day where they put hand for the rape when a rebel, na very delinquent rape, he never talk kick cock, he never open him up so, he not story for what happen, he know the talk. Now only never they talk say, if we get problem with 1G for bad, the query, and then one begin make like say, we get smungum, then 1G don't show you say again gumpasi, the team vexy, and then you tell 1G say, we'll see what I will do you, na so you can from town, he can take his own knife, and then go enter 1G house, for some make that kind of trouble, shoot that Pekin, a quarai strip straight like a ruler. So these 2 ministers then, Madeleine 20 and Marie-Thérèse Abena Ondua, they don't go there, they don't talk for Papa for that Pekin, they talk for Mommy for that Pekin. Now so, before them, another minister for social affairs, Pauline Ngele, we don't go there. So it be very important. Now the kind of work that this way, we want to say, minister, they begin do whether they go for field, anytime we wahala day, we trouble day, they did it for see what it really happen. Now they can't find work that where they support for the work.